Hello and welcome back to ARCHI Tools. In the previous video, we talked about how we can create a new pattern hatch to our Revit model. Today, we are going to discuss how we can create a new hatch pattern using the pyRevit. So how is it different and why you need to know this? When we try to create a new pattern using the new fill pattern option, either basic or custom, there's always drawback in that because sometimes even in custom also you don't get the desired hash type. So what if you require a completely different hash type in which you are not able to use even a pat file for the same? So we'll try to make such kind of patterns using pyRevit. So let's say first I will create one module of a hatch pattern. I will press DL and show you how I want my hatch pattern to be. I'll copy this. For giving you just an example of how you can create new hatch patterns using the pyRevit. So this is a hatch pattern which is made using the circles repeated vertically and horizontally. How you can create a hatch pattern related to the same. So pyRevit basically helps us to make a hash pattern which is repetitive in nature. For example, in this circle is repetitive, both horizontally and vertically. So I'll just copy this part, and first of all, I will check for the size, whatever size suits me. This we are creating just a module for that. For using the pyRevit, first of all, we need to place our module inside a boundary, and the boundary should be in a rectangle or a square. So I have created a boundary, and this is basically a boundary related to the module. I will make it as 300 by 300, which is my desired size, and this circle would be 150 radius. I will place this circle inside this boundary. So this is a single module which is repeating, and this is a square boundary. So now I'm beginning to make a hatch pattern for the same. I want to select the part which I want to be inside the hatch. Then I will go to my pyRevit, and here you will find an option of make pattern. You will select this option, and now it will ask you to enter a pattern name. I will name it as circular hatch. Next, it will ask for a pattern type, whether you want it to be a detail pattern or model pattern, types which we have already discussed in our previous video. I will try to make a model pattern over here. And next, it will ask for whether I want to create a filled region for the same. So yes, in order to check and use in our desired locations, I would require a filled region for that. This use highest resolution is okay for me. Scale is 1, that is fine for the model pattern because I want this scale only 150 mm. If I change this multiplier to 2, then this hatch scale will be twice of it. So I don't want that. I have already scaled it down and I want the scale multiplier to be 1. Next is I want to create pattern. Now it will ask the corners, the boundaries which we have made. So first of all, I will select the one of the corners, which is my top left corner, and next I will select the opposite corner, which is the bottom right corner. After choosing both the points, hatch pattern will be made. I'll press on OK, and if I go to annotate, since we had ticked the make region option, you would find a circular hatch pattern. Let's check if it's working fine or not. So yes, our hatch pattern has been made. Similarly, if you want to make any other hatch pattern, you just need to provide a single module inside a boundary and follow the same process which we have discussed. So guys, keep practicing this thing because you might forget what is the process. Let me know in the comment box if you are facing any issues regarding this making of hatch pattern. Like and subscribe to our channel if you found this video helpful. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing.